FLG stock, super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video I'm covering this, so watch till the end. With Flagstar Financial stock, I do see a 7% increase in price. That's just Friday though. Like if I look and check back at the last week, 25 is cool numbers. I've done, by the way, 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands and thousands, I mean 5 figures on courses and mentors. And generally speaking with FLG, the first thing that I'm going to do is just like take a higher time frame look. Okay, I'm not a big fan of this price action. The only real sign of this thing really wanting to go up is if it actually starts to break above 13 bucks. Honestly, if I see a full candle close on the daily chart above that, then is when I have myself a bullish trend. If not, obviously I'm not going to force stuff. Context, I've done 35,000 videos, right? And I'm just going to stick to it, to my edge. And because we're now entering a supply zone, if I start seeing double breaks beneath that candle low, you know, then and only then I'm taking things low. So right now we're in a kind of a no man's land. So I most definitely am going to continue to keep you updated. But if I see my rules, nothing's stopping me from taking a quick little short. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.